In this question, we have to implement stack using array. So, what is given? We have to push 2 into the stack. Suppose this is a stack, we have to push 2 into it. Then push 3. Then we have to pop. Pop means remove an element from this stack. So, in output, what we will get? 3. Whatever element we are popping from the stack, we will get that element as an output. Now push 4. So push 4. Now pop. Then we will pop 4 and 4 will be in our output. Now see the next example. This is an stack. First of all, we are popping. So we can see that here is no element. So which element will be popped? So no element, nothing can be popped. So we will simply let in -1. Then we will push 4. Then push 5. Now we have to pop. So 5 will pop. So we will get -1 and 5 as an output. Now here we will write the code. So we have to write code in the push function. So how can we add an element into an array? In Python, we can add by using append method. So self dot array dot append and then data. Here array is initialized here already. We have to just append the data into the push function. The data which we have to insert is given here. We are just appending it by using append method. Now pop. How can we remove an element from this stack? First we have to check that stack is empty or not. If stack is empty, then we have to return -1. Is empty. Now is empty is a function, so we can declare it here. Def is empty. How to check that an array or we can say stack is empty or not? Just by simply check that length of the stack. If length of the stack is 0 means stack is empty. And how to check that length of stack is 0? By using length function. Now if stack is not empty, so we have to simply return the item element. So here we are declaring a variable popped in which we will retrieve the last element of the stack. Now delete that element. Here we get our output. Now submit this.